If you want to add your own song to your Instagram story, then here's how to do it. Here, as you can see, if I want to add any image here, and if I want to add any songs that I have created and I have saved in this device, and I want to attach my own song with this image, so there is no specific options to connect or attach my own song or custom song with that image in Instagram story. You can find all the songs available here from online, but there is no option to add your own song or custom song with this Instagram story. So there's another way that you can edit your media, like your photo or video. You can go with CapCut application, or you can install InShot application. You can download this, both of them, from App Store or Play Store. It is much easier to use and create videos with that. And here you can see new project from here. For example, I'm going to select a video from here, now add, and from here you can add any audio clip you want with this video. Here is the audio icon. From here you just need to simply click on this sounds. From here you'll find the file icon here, and then from here you just need to simply tap on device. Now in this device section you will find the audio that I have added. Sometimes you can add the audio on your device. Simply tap on select from audio, select this audio from this device that you have available in your files. Just simply tap on it and simply click on open. Now I have already added an audio track here. You just need to simply click on this plus icon to add this audio with your video. Now here, as you can see, now you can adjust the audio with your video. You can trim your favorite part. Just simply tap on split to cut out the favorite part that you want to add with your video. I'm going to split it, and I'm going to delete the rest of the part, now the first part, and I'm going to take this mid part. This is the favorite part of mine, and I'm going to adjust this. Now from here, as you can see, it is perfectly added. I'm going to just decrease the length here. You can just swipe right or left to increase or decrease the size of your audio track. Now you can just simply tap on export and export it, and here is some options. You can export it in 2K or 4K, also with 120 fps, and another code rate. You can select the code rate. Also you can enable the smart HDR. Then you can simply click on export, and it will export this video with this song, your own song, on your device, and then you can directly add this video to your Instagram story, and then you can find that your media, it can be photo or video, or those are already attached with your own song on your Instagram story. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.